here, JB from Oz. Today's mission is to fit the guillotine into the printing bench. So, first thing I've got to do is cut out this back section, and then I want to recess for the body. Bring you back in a minute. Alright, so first cut is made. Which clearances our tail. Probably could have made that straighter, couldn't I, chaps? No, let's clean it up. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Alright, now we want to cut with the router thickness to put this level inside the top. And we want to file a relief just here as well. So, we've set up a fence. So we've got our distance to our line. It's not super critical for this. I've got my depth set on the router, so we know how deep it's going to go. I'll just do a bit of a test cut and check of the depth. Okay, so I've just done a depth cut. That'll be lovely. So, do a check on our length. We'll probably just stay inside that point there. Alright, so I started to router from the top and my blade was really showing some wear, so I've done an undercut which gets most of the material out of the way, and I'll just do a finish cut with the router. So test fit. We've got a nice flush edge there. Springs recessed, and table set back. So now we should be able to drill through, bolt it in, job done. More progress on the Meigs hideaway table. Guillotine's all in place. The back edges are all picked in. So now we're just going to do a couple of fill-in bits and then some shelving. So there we go. Just got to get a couple more fasteners, and then we have guillotine table.